Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. We can do it by using our contact list, so basically you can block a number you've got currently saved, or we can do it kind of manually by using the blacklist. Of course I'll show you both, however let's start with the contacts. So let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to block, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Your device will of course ask you if you really want to do it, so simply tap on block, and as you can see we've got this characteristic icon. So from now on the contact is blocked. You will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from the number. You can unblock it if you want to right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist also. So the second way of blocking the number requires entering the settings, and it does not really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon and enter the settings. Here we've got blocked numbers, and as you can see this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts, and here in this way we can add a number manually. So let's tap on add a phone number, and as you can see you can enter it, so you do not have to have it saved. You can paste it here also if you've got it copied, and simply tap on block, and as you can see it immediately appears on the blacklist. What is more, here we've got the option unknown, and after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, your device will be allowed to block calls from all unidentified callers. You can also turn it off whenever you want to. If you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and confirm it with tapping on unblock. Alright, so basically this is it. This is how to block a number in your OnePlus Nord device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.